আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। সো আজকে লেসন আমরা শিখব কোনটি 18 কমন ওয়ার্ডগুলি রিপ্লেস করা উচিত আমাদের রাইটিংয়ে। Unfortunately, due to time constraints, I'll be segmenting this video into two different portions. So this is a part one. Without further much to say, let's begin. High on any list of most used English words is the term good. While this word may appear to be the perfect adjective for nearly anything, that is precisely what makes it so vague. Try getting more specific. If something's going well, try superb, outstanding, or exceptional instead. So these three words are a good substitute for the term good. Another of the common words in English is the term new. New is an adjective that doesn't always set off alarm bells, so it can be easy to forget about. Give your writing more punch by ditching new and using something like latest or recent. Much like new, long is spent, yet it doesn't always register as such while you're writing. Instead of this cliche phrase, try describing exactly how long it is. You could use extended, lingering, or endless. Old is certainly one of those common words that means more to readers if you're specific about how old a subject is. Try using ancient, fossilized, decaying, or even decrepit instead of the word old. Right is also among the common words that tends to slip through our writer's filters. If somebody is correct, you could also say exact or precise. Don't let habit words like right dampen your writing. Here's another adjective that falls a bit flat for readers, but it can also easily be improved by getting more specific. Saying something is odd or common is very different than saying it is exotic or striking. Small is another adjective that is too generic for writing, as good as yours. Use microscopic, miniature, tiny, cramped, or compact to describe your sentence or to convey your thoughts. Just like relying too much on small, we tend to describe large things as well. Large specificity is a big help with this one too. Could your subject be substantial, immense, enormous, or massive? Try using these four terms, or whichever, depending on the sentence, to strengthen the meaning. Whenever we describe something coming next, we run the risk of losing our readers. Good options to make your reading more powerful include upcoming, following, or closer.